Today I'm going to be talking about stocks and globally diverse index funds. Hello, welcome to Dan Talks Money. Today's subject is stocks and globally diverse index funds. And I'm basing this episode on risk. So depending on what your risk level is at, could determine which kind of investor you are or would like to be. Or you could mix it up, a bit like myself, and put a portion in one and a portion in the other. So on the screen, as you can see, I have a graph which shows two different lines. The thin green line representing good old Tesla, and the second blue deep line represents the S&P 500. Now, as you can see, the green line representing Tesla, it's like a roller coaster, and I rode the roller coaster. So, I mean, as you can see at the start, tracking back a whole year from now, you can see it starting off, going across gradually, then just taking a nosedive down like the Big Dipper, just to come back up over the flips. Very exciting time. I quite enjoy the dips myself because I look forward to the rises. But the main point for you to notice is the volatility of the actual stock in one company versus the globally diverse index fund. Now, there's an 18% difference over the whole year in these two different investments. So Tesla did finish on top, so I made a nice bit of profit in there, but I did have a smoother journey on my S&P 500 investment. So they both finished the whole year in positive territory, and I'm not brave enough, to be honest, to put all my cash into one company. I like to spread the load, as they say, and I like the globally diverse index funds because I get a sense of security from there. And if my stocks are down in an individual company, I can always look and see that actually I haven't lost on both. So have a little think. Do you want to have all your eggs in one basket, so to speak, or do you want to diversify? I diversify everything. The second chart that I'm going to show you is a different scenario. I don't win them all, but thankfully I haven't lost them all. So as you can see, this graph shows the FTSE Developed World ETF, and it also shows Fiverr. Now, Fiverr I've lost a bit of money on, but I've still got a lot of confidence in them. As you can see by the red line, started the year on the up, as all roller coasters do, to dip back down and rise. Finishing the year, quite negative, minus like 40%, but hey ho, can't win them all. I'm sure that it'll come back up, and I'm staying in there. I'm holding. The blue line is the FTSE Developed World ETF. And as you can see, that as well has had a 19% gain over the whole year. So balancing off risk and reward. I lost a little bit on these two combined, but not as much as I would have if I had sunk all my pound into Fiverr. The best thing now that I'll say to you is do a bit of research into companies that you believe in. Do a little bit of research as well into ETFs, because they may not give such a big return, but they may also not give such a negative return on your cash. Have a little look for the best ETF. There are absolutely tons of them out there. I tend to go for ones that represent a large portion of the globe rather than UK based, American based. I like a little bit of everything in there. And I tend to go for something that's good for the environment as well. So it needs to be kind of green. You know, I really believe in the future of going green and everything that's going on in the world. A bit of Greta in there. I'm not a big fan. I haven't got time to watch and follow all that, but base it on what you believe, but also have a little look at the track record there as well, because they always say don't base future earnings on past performance. But for me, I like to have a little look, because if I think something has risen drastically over the last year, then in my opinion, it's going to come back down soon. So I would probably stay clear of that myself, unless there was a lot of positive news out there. Now, that's all for today. If you do have any questions, you can leave a comment on the comment box. And as always, if you enjoy the channel, then please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Good luck with your trading. If you've got any tips, feel free. I do like to dabble and add new stocks to my portfolio every year. And yeah, so spend on the good stuff that you believe in, and let's hope it goes up.